Good evening, Sweet Treats with the Wendigo Twins.
I'm Kiwi Quasar.
And I'm Nuka Lola. And welcome to tonight's feast.
In tonight's feast, we are going to do a spooky box. If you don't know what that is, it is a monthly subscription. Monthly. It's supposed to be, but basically, sometimes it takes about 2 months to get the box. But it's well worth the wait. I've been doing it for quite some time. I'd show you my charm bracelet, but I can't remember what I did with it. It's somewhere. So basically, I've been subscribing for a while. You got the prettier nails, so go ahead. Spooky box.
So this is a UK subscription box,
it's
right?
a UK subscription box.
And what is the price point on this baby?
It's about like, I think works out to be like $43 to $49 with shipping.
With shipping?
With shipping. It's a little pricey, but honestly I think it's well worth it. You get quite a bit of items. Not only that, you get like, not only like stickers, patches and stuff, like you almost always get a patch, but not always, but almost always, and a pin, and other little things. And depending on the theme, this theme happens to be a beautiful monster, and it is number
51. This is box number
51.
51.
So let's go ahead and open it. No spoilers. We hadn't like seen anything, and I tried really hard not to look at anything. I told her not to look at anything, so this is new. And also, it's not sponsored. They don't pay for this. This is an honest review for us.
Your own money?
My own monies and stuff. It's my one treat, really big treat that I treat myself every month.
Alright, so I've always looked at her spooky boxes. I actually haven't gotten a spooky box before. Based on my first impression, this is real light. Is that normal?
It can range. It is, because like depending on what home good, because like it's heavier if they put in like a mug or something.
Yeah, or if it's like a tapestry
or well, the tapestry is usually light because they're like usually made of like fabric.
Yeah.
So this, I can tell, doesn't have a mug because it just feels so light.
Yeah.
I guess we're gonna see beautiful monster.
Beautiful monster.
So I'm assuming it's gonna be like healthcare, like beauty products, not healthcare.
Oh yeah.
That's weird. I mean, it's like a monster thermometer. I mean, I actually pretty much like
little monster Tylenol and stuff.
Oh, I did get one of my spooky boxes. I got it was like, I think, Going Batty, and it's like a little vampire pill case that I actually put my little Tylenols in and I put in my bag.
Yeah.
It's called Vampire Vitamins, and I love that thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So
All right.
Inside. Alright, so I'm gonna like open it if you want to reach in and
okay.
Don't look.
Don't look.
We're not spoiling. Just reach in and start pulling.
Okay, we're gonna take the tag out.
The spoiler card.
Spoiler card, so really quick. So not look
at the spoiler card.
So I feel something, it's kind of squishy.
Squishy.
Oh, I'm gonna use this. I use this all the time. So it is, here, go ahead. It looks like it is a Spoiled Bat Spa facial headband.
Oh.
Hairband.
That's perfect for you.
That's perfect for me because I wear that kind of stuff all the time. You can see I'm like wearing one right now. Like, well, it's like it's a scarf shape. So yeah, go ahead and open it. Yeah, so that's really cool. I like it because every item has its own individual wrapping, which I really like. Ooh, is it velvety?
Soft, yeah. It's like velvety.
Oh, this is so nice. It's so nice. You can see it's like says Spoiled Bat. I like it when they're obnoxious. Yeah, because it looks like this is the front, I'm assuming. Well, I'm gonna wear it like it's the front so you can read it in the back while I wash my face and wear it every day, because I just don't like my hair right now. It's short. I hate, we were talking earlier, I don't like my hair touching my forehead because I hate getting in my, it's like really bothering me.
During the summer, it gets hot.
It's gross.
Like right now.
It's actually really nice. It's really
soft, like
and the embroidery is really beautiful.
And it's got like really good like,
you can see that, and you can see like at the both ends there's like little bats on them, there's little batties. So,
and it's like a maybe it's lighting. I don't know. It kind of looks like a shimmery purple.
It looks like it's a shimmery thread.
It's like their
metallic
colors tend to be black and purple. Yeah.
Yeah, usually.
So this is kind of in line with their colors.
Yeah.
That's super cute.
So, oh, beautiful, happy, good, yay. Good job, guys.
We're off to a good start. Good talk. Right.
So that's what I was talking about. Like their home goods is really like on point. Ooh, okay. This is different. What is this? It's a purple.
Oh, that was candy. Is it candy?
I wish. This is, this is actually pretty nice. Go ahead and show it. So it looks like it's a purple comb, which is nice. It's good for traveling. I travel a lot, so you can see it's like the straight comb over here and then the nice little brush, and that's actually really useful. I'm gonna put it in my travel bag because I take a lot of trips. We take a lot of trips together and we go places, and this is actually really nice to have to kind of like just throw in the bag and go. So I
like your purse too.
Yeah, for my purse. So it's just nice to kind of like on the goes.
I feel like they could have made it like a bat or something. I don't know. Am I being stupid?
No, actually, yeah, it could have like, this could have been like the center of the bat and then a little pointed back.
And then like pull it out and it's like, it's a bat.
It's a bat wing, and then it's
like it's handy, but it's
yeah. I mean, it's not bad. It's just like for color, but like just saying the design, if you know that was a thing.
Yeah.
What is this? Oh, I see what it is. It's actually really cute. It is a emery board for nails, and I like to do my nails a lot. Right now they're not done, they're transition.
Sorry. Like right in your face.
Stab me with your nails.
Yeah. Trying to hide the face.
Hide the faces. So you can see it's a beautiful, it's like a lavender color, and it's got like black bats all over it, so that's really cute. That's also a really nice thing to kind of like throw in your bag and on the go, and then just kind of like you know, you break a nail or need to file that down, fix it. That's actually pretty good. So
it's gonna be like not healthcare.
Not health. It's beauty stuff. Because Beautiful Monster.
And it comes in like a little travel case, which is cool.
That's good.
It's like, you know, beauty travel. It's like beauty travel essentials, kind of. Yeah.
For beauty on the go.
For the ghoul on the go.
The ghoul on the go, which is good because like we do a lot of stuff. Okay.
I keep bringing wrappers and thinking it's candy because you said they always come with candy. I'm like, it's gonna be the candy this time.
Oh, this is cute. It's like a little mini Beautiful Monster with a little crescent moon, and it's a pocket mirror.
It's a pocket mirror.
For the Beautiful Monster and all of us.
You can see the camera.
See yourself.
Can you see me? Oh, would that be scary?
That would
be. We showed it on camera and you could see yourself. You're like, wait a minute, how does that work?
I know. That'd be really
Black Mirror episode.
Oh.
Netflix, call me up.
We've got ideas. Oh, okay. So this is actually really cute. Oh. So what I like they started doing, they actually started just doing it in the box before. In the conspiracy theories I noticed is where they started their new backing. It actually says it's a collectible pin, and which is nice because like they really like, I guess they're really like putting an emphasis on their pins, and their pins are always really on point. Like I like their new thing. What I really do like, if you turn it around, their pin backing is really, it locks, which is really nice because I've had other pins from other places that they're just kind of easily, they fall off in my bag and on my jacket I'm losing them. And so these are really nice. I like the locking pin ones. This is like 7 Years of Bad Luck mirror, which is actually really cute. So I'm gonna stick that on my stuff because yeah, I just like it.
That's cute. Yeah.
It's a really cute mirror. I wonder if that mirror's in this bag.
Oh, that'd be cool.
That'd be cool. But I guess we already have our little pocket mirror. Okay, that feels empty. Okay. I was like, no. It's here. It's okay. So I mentioned my charm bracelet in the beginning of the video. The reason being is they the last box they actually sent a silver, the charm bracelet, not the charm but the bracelet, because usually in my last box, and you can hang all your charms that you collected from Spooky Box past boxes and put them on there. And in the next boxing I'll, you know, I put it somewhere safe because I was leaving and I was wearing it and I didn't want to lose it, so I think I have it in my locker.
It's really cute. It's a little purple baddie.
Yeah.
And then it has
probably the Spooky Box.
Yeah, SB.
They like to engrave all their stuff. Engrave. So I actually have a lot of these little guys. Not every box has one, because I've had like 1 or 2 that didn't have a charm in it. But I love that they do this. I love the charm bracelets. You can also, if you don't want to hang them on the charm bracelet, you can like put them on your cell phone. I've had them like dangling on in my room, like as decoration on a little tree that I have. And they're just like little charm ornaments.
And it's cute. It's got like I don't know, like one of those nice, I don't know what
you call these. Nice,
whatever you call these.
Clasps.
I like these better for like
I feel it's more secure.
I feel like they're more secure, yeah.
Yeah, so
that's cute. Also, that'll be cute on your charm bracelet.
Yeah. I made her put the charms on for me because I was like having a hard time with my nailsies.
Oh, no, I'm not gonna be able to do this.
Okay, so it looks like another thing that I really this box is made for me. Yeah, it's a hair turban.
Hair towel.
Hair towel.
This is yours. This is your box.
Yeah. Oh my god, I am so sloppy sometimes. I will wear this to the grocery store, like a hair towel, because they are like an accessory for me. Like I said, if I'm not wearing a wig, I don't like to fix my hair. Like it's pretty, you know, I'm whatever.
So much work.
It's so much work, and I will freaking wear these things like everywhere. And I'm really, really partial to them like around the house, because like they're just really great.
It's got the little.
It's got the logo, so you know it's like straight up from them. They didn't buy it from, they actually got this commission to make and stuff, which I really enjoy, because you know, like it's a Spooky Box exclusive, which I have. Oh, this box is great. It has this, it's wonderful hair turban, this freaking hair makeup wrap bands. I'm just so happy because
So
these are,
cute.
I'm gonna wear these all the time.
It's funny because sometimes she gets things in the Spooky Box where I'm like, I might buy that from you because it's real cute. So I got a book carrying case from
Yeah.
the library box, I think it was, because I really wanted it, and I wanted it for my books, and it has this print, and I really like it. I always get compliments on that. And I'm like, it's
Oh yeah,
like, is
I
this
gave
a
it to
book
her, or
book?
she,
I'm like, oh,
yeah,
it's
that's
a
right.
box. It was limited.
I know. Okay, so we're coming into the tail end. Okay, I think now we are kind of like okay. So I mentioned like some things they don't do all the time, like the charms, like for the most part they're consistent. Every box has a charm usually, but like one or two probably don't. And then also with the patch, usually they have a patch, but it's not, you know, it's not guaranteed everyone. But the pins are usually pretty consistent. I think they almost always have a pin. I don't think I remember a box that didn't have a pin. So I think some of the things are kind of like they rotate. I guess they try to, but they have other stuff.
Make it like, yeah.
But this is the candy.
Wow.
Lollipops. I'm saving it in a thank you card. So overall, I'm really, really happy with this stuff. Like
There's a lot of stuff that you can use. It's a lot of stuff that you already use. So
I already use things that really like speak to me, like the hair scarf, turban, hairbands are things that she knows I wear all the time, like practically almost every day.
So let's go through the cheat
list.
sheet to make sure we got everything. So custom made Bats in the Belfry hair turban.
Hair turban, check.
Custom made Glamour Bat nail file.
Check.
Mini purple folding travel brush and comb. That guy.
Check.
Custom made cracked mirror pen.
Oh, that's true. That was that sweet pin.
Custom made spoiled bat headband. Yep.
Check.
Custom made beautiful monster mirror. Yeah.
Check.
Custom made purple bat charm.
Checkity check.
And then sour citrus punch gourmet lollipop.
And check. That actually sounds fun. I might keep this one.
That sounds good.
Yeah.
Sour citrus punch. And that's the little
Card.
That was the Spooky Box. That was really cute. I like that it's a lot of stuff that you can use. I don't like when like the subscription boxes, you get a lot of stuff and you're like, it's kind of cool, but like, not really gonna use it.
Yeah.
It's like cozy or like weird stuff that I'm like, ooh, I'm not gonna use that. But like, this looks like stuff that you're actually gonna be able to use. Like, you got 2 freaking hair wraps.
Hair wraps.
Thingies, so like you're
All about
you're
me.
set to go.
So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.